Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 Cadillac XT5 Sport. This vehicle is featured in stellar black with jet black leather seats as well as alloy rims. Under the hood is a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle features forward collision alert, lane departure warning, parking assist, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated front seats as well as heated steering wheel, and much more. Onto the front interior, we have some black leather, brushed aluminum and chrome door handle, power unlock and lock buttons, as well as power window and mirror controls, storage in the door, as well as our power liftgate button, Bose audio, chrome Cadillac badge, our jet black leather seats with a chrome accent, as well as power seating options on the left. Hopping into the XT5 now, just off to the left of our steering wheel, we have our power park brake and dimmer switch, some more brushed aluminum. Take a look at the wheel itself. On the right, we have our cluster control. And on the left, we have hands-free and Bluetooth options, as well as our cruise control. Just beneath, we have forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and our heated steering wheel button. Push to start is just off to the right of the wheel. We can see our digital gauge cluster with speedometer on the top. Our infotainment screen, parking assist and auto on-off toggle on the left. We have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Sirius XM satellite radio. We'll take a look at our backup camera with guidelines and alerts. Back into park with the little P. We can shut off the vehicle now. Just beneath the screen, we have our climate control options with heated front seats, as well as a digital display for the temperature. Some storage underneath. Our shifter. Infotainment screen controls with a spin dial for volume and just for our selections. Cup holders underneath a nice black leather cover. Traction control and driving modes. Little storage for our phone. Jet black leather center console as well. Plenty of storage within. Sunglasses holder on the roof. 3 garage door presets as well as dome lights. OnStar and SOS. And we can see the other side of the front of the XT5. Moving on to the exterior, we can see our alloy rims with Cadillac center caps, chrome Cadillac logo on the side, as well as color matched mirror caps with our side indicator, the mirror itself, chrome door handles with keyless entry on both front and rear. We have our rear privacy tint, as well as on the back, XT5 and Cadillac chrome badging, as well as chrome tip dual exhaust on either side, brake light in the center. We can grab our key to unlock our power liftgate, double click, and up it comes. We can see plenty of storage in the back, as well as our 60/40 split rear seats, which fold down for more storage if needed, using the levers on either side. We have a 12-volt input, our spare with jack, very spacious rear. For the rear interior, we have some more brushed aluminum and chrome door handle, power window, storage in the door, and our Bose rear speaker. 60/40 split rear seats as mentioned. We can also fold them down with the levers on the top. We can hop in the back now. We can see magazine holders in the back of either of the front seats. Pull down armrest and cup holders in the middle. A little bit of storage above our rear vents. Some more beneath. USB and USB-C inputs. Pull down hooks, handles, and dome lights. Little speaker tweeters above the rear seats. Very comfortable and very spacious. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2023 Cadillac XT5 Luxury. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we hope to see you in Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.